Guys, napakahirap kasama nito kasi para kami kasamang scientist, magiging bobo ka.
Okay.
Yan. And then next, mix mekos.
Mekos.
So how much in London? How much in London is one piece of buko?
One piece of buko. Itchy.
Makati raw yan, Makati.
Makati.
Don't touch. Ayan o, hinog na. Guys, for today's video, makunguha tayo ng buko. Oo. Welcome back or welcome po kayo dito sa ating personal vlog. Wala pong mga sementeryo dito. May papakilala ko sa inyong foreigner na actually nakasama ko na siya sa vlog kagabi. Nag-overnight po kami sa isang sementeryo.
Bilog. Gin bilog.
Bilog. Social. Social naman ni sir. It's look like a monster. O yan. Oh, you just wake up na. We will fly the drone. When I wake up this morning, I speak English immediately. Narinig niya raw guys, marami raw naglalakad. First ever na mag-overnight po sa sementeryo. At 3 po kami magkakasama. Kasama po yung local dito po sa Kulyo.
A few moments later.
Hi Mr. Gala! Lagi ako nagpanood sa video mo. Sana ako magkasama sa vlog mo. Mama, Mr. Gala my favorite YouTuber, but I wish you had a vlog that was English, because I can't understand it.
Ay, ito. Ayun. Actually guys, mga bagong kaibigan ko sila dito. Alam nyo ba guys, simula nung nagpunta ako dito sa Kulyon, ako'y anong-ano na sa English. Dahil kasi itong nag-tour, isa to sa kaibigan ng mutual friend na ipinakilala din sa akin, sumama. Sabi dyan, ay, don't move closer.
I'm okay, I'm not gonna be killed by a crocodile.
Ano doon? So lalagyan namin ng gatas mga master. Mga ilang piraso? Paano yung style? Lagyan nyo lang muna para mas mabilis. So what do you call that style?
We call it style tanga tanga. Because John Philip tanga tanga.
You're talking bullshit.
Tanga.
But you're always good, not tanga tanga.
Me, I'm tanga tanga sobra.
Taste
Have
that.
some meat, mate.
O sige, tikman mo. How does it taste?
Just like coconut.
It's not a strawberry, it's coconut.
Oh, no shit,
That's why it's
no shit, Sherlock.
Hey guys! What's up?
Hi!
Kinawat lang po namin to. Actually, yung may-ari po nito is abandoned.
Uy, sino ba may ari nito? Baka
Shoutout yung baby ko sa bayan.
nagnakaw kami ng ng buko. Actually, we steal it.
Yeah.
This is not our...
No, John Phillips is the famous coconut thief of Butnungan. Yeah.
Really?
He's wanted by the police. The coconut police.
So, pakita mo, lapit ka dito, be. Yan. Ay, makakapal na yung buko nyo dong.
Sakto lang to.
Oh, nahirapan na.
Chemical.
Adam, you just eat coconut meat. It will boost your immunity. My breakfast is English earlier this morning.
Scrambled eggs. Very common breakfast in the UK.
Hey, actually na marami na to. Hindi na masyadong malasa yung ano.
Sayang to. Hindi, mas malasa yan. Sayang. Where's the milk?
You know what that needs? A little bit of gin.
Naku, wala na tayong gin. Utang na loob. Stop gin. Gin is bad for your health.
Being alive's bad for your health. It kills you eventually.
Napakahilig na raw sa gin mga master eh.
We've only got a little bit of that tower left. We need to drink it. Hang on, give that to me. I want to lick the bowl.
Ay, ano ka? Ano ka tawag dito? Masusugat. You will get, blood.
It's okay. I don't need sugar.
Ay, grabe siya.
You're crazy talaga. Every time I see you, baliw.
Ako kalbalio.
Tanga-tanga. How do you learn tanga-tanga? Who told you?
Everyone shouts, John Philip, tanga tanga. And I'm like, what's tanga tanga?
Can you say the word tanga-tanga with feelings?
Tanga tanga cow!
Very good.
Just the champions, this is.
Lagyan nyo ng ano to, no? Yellow.
Ah, okay. Tanga-tanga.
Ikaw tanga-tanga.
If my son is dirty.
Just shout out of video mo siya, shout out.
Shout out to all of Master Garlet's followers. Subscribe, like,
And share. Please
Share.
comment below.
'Di ba? International na tayo, guys. May kasama tayong ano, Briton. In
Briton
Tagalog is British, in Tagalog is Briton.
Briton.
Yeah.
Breton suit.
Mga 3 days, bibinta na natin to guys. Kasi hindi to marunong mag-Tagalog eh.
We are looking for buyer this Breton.
Going very
How much
mura.
How much your price?
50 peso.
50 peso only.
Bargain.
So,
Any old
Electric
women
ang amoy.
desperate?
with priest something different smell from other world. From what do you call this world?
Fuck you very much.
No. It's called Avatar world. Yo. Because it looks like a very mystical.
He looks like Junior Somel. Yo, shout out sa'yo, Junior.
Many Filipino do a rhinoplasty to get that nose, but he was free. No rhinoplasty.
I don't need rhinoplasty. Ako guapo.
So ito na, guys.
Pero balyo.
Nakakaloka lang. Hawakan mo muna, be. London, how much in London is one piece of buko?
One piece of buko is probably,
In peso, ha? You
in
convert it
peso, it's
na.
about 100 peso for one buko. It's old coconut as well.
Guys, may nakita kami lang. Hinog na.
Hungry?
Kainin natin. Pwede din tayo maghalo. Pwede tayo maghalo dyan, pero ibukod natin. Huwag na ilagay. Kaya na baka So yun lang ka.
Can you do it? You want me to
Tapos
do
may
it?
isa pa lang anak mo eh. 10 na. Ayun na, malapit na.
Hold this. Filming.
Parang iba.
I need it here.
Di ba sanay na sanay? Oh, how does it taste? Ba't mo ganagat?
I bit into it.
Ayan oh, hinog na. Ay, tikman nga nito.
Tamis yun, boss.
Tikman natin. Ay, it's sweet. Like vanilla.
It's beautiful. Yeah, nicer though.
Oh, if you come to Davao, I will treat you more durian.
I love durian. My favourite though is mangosteen.
Oh, there's a lot of mangosteen.
Really?
It's 40 per kilo.
My God, it's 240 here in Coron.
Because it's Coron. It's too far
Right,
from.
I'm coming just to see the mangosteen.
Sarap to.
Good.
Taste good.
You're gonna cut that bit out. Look at that. Wow. Ako din.
Okay, you try this one. It's against the light.
That's good jackfruit.
Juicy.
Juicy. You can cook it so it tastes like pork. Meat substitute. That's really nice, yeah? I'm going to tell her that. You carry that for you.
Get.
Got it?
Yeah.
Method.
Mita.
Meta. Oh, meta nga na.
Mita nga.
Metanga.
Natawa siya. Ano guys? You put the coconut meat inside. And then you eat.
Eat a feed like a baby.
Carrot problem.
Baby.
Put some put some sabaw. Put some sabaw. Well, it's mekus-mekus.
No. You bad, my friend.
It's mekus-mekus. Lagay mo siya.
Hello, huh?
Yan. And then mix mekus.
Mekos, mekos.
How did you know lying if the person took it?
Bullshit.
Wow.
All he talks.
Bawal sa YouTube yan ha.
He's the-
You don't talk bad words in YouTube because it will be bullshit. Mangga ba yan? Avocado. Ano pag nasagi ka nito? Mangangati ka ano yung gamot?
Idaron mo sa apo yung sir, yung kanyang dahon para mawala umano.
Ako kuha ka uli ng dahon niya.
Plan.
Dangerous yan. Okay. So guys, sa
Let's
mga
make
Itchy.
Makati daw yan, Makati.
Makati.
Don't touch.
That's making bone in our body.
Ano tawag dito?
Anagas.
Anagas. Para saan naman yan? Anong nagagamit niyan?
Walang silbi yan.
Okay.
Right,
Alam nyo ba guys, na first time kong mag-almusal ng English kanina. So, sobrang ang hirap. Napakahirap talaga mag-English.
tonight when we go and party, yeah?
Ako, I'm not.
Osmania, come
not going to
on,
the
Master
party.
Gala.
I don't like party because I party myself. I'm just party
You've
on
not come for a
with my.
party with Si Adam. If you not party with Si Adam, you don't come to Kulion.
I can party with myself only.
Yeah, well, it's boring.
It's not boring. I use headset.
Yeah,
I put it on my ears and I dance on the bathroom.
I've not seen you dance yet once.
You put some milk here.
Tawag dito sa amin sir, lamaw.
Hindi. Ang lamaw, meron siyang lalagyan nyo siya ng biskuit. Pero ayoko nun. Hindi ako masyadong.
That's what we need, some biscuits.
Royal.
Hindi ako.
What we
Hindi
need
ako
is
hindi ako fan ng.
Give that to me. I want.
You just say Briton. Hi mga ka-Briton.
Hi, Malaka Briton.
It in meaning is English. That's what you call your subscribers. Just like me. Hi mga ka-master. Ka-master is my I call my subscriber.
My channel's Don Kulion.
Don?
Don Kulion. It's from the book The Godfather. Don Kulion.
Kabis yung sa Pornhub.
Private daw yung video yun. Baka mamaya kakaibang video yun.
Because my videos are just me being drunk at Sabong's and people videoing me falling asleep on the floor. I don't want to share that. Who wants to watch me being drunk?
Maybe you should share some like this, blogging, that personal, personal opinion.
I might start. You've inspired me, RJ. You've inspired me.
Oh, thank you. You're just doing nonsense blog. Sometimes it will make more viewers. Sometimes in the Philippines, nonsense blog are more viewers than you made some.
I'm the champion of nonsense blogs. I'll show you some of my videos. It's just me getting drunk
All blog Adam is nonsense.
in Tondo. Me drunk.
Nonsense blog.
Sabong. Sindunan.
1 year blogging. Subscribers 2.
I got 15 subscribers. 15.
How many your subscribers?
15 fat subscribers.
After they watch this, it
just
will
my
be,
family.
It will be more 15. It will be 16.
16. Are you going to subscribe? Are you? Come on, finish the sentence.
Sabihin mo. Kumiya.
Tanga-tanga ikaw.
Yung ano ba yung binabayaran sa
Tanga-tanga. When you say tanga-tanga, you can say tanga-tanga.
Yeah, tanga-tanga.
Tanga.
That's why I know it because people shout, Adam, tanga-tanga.
Pero hindi natin siya tinuturuan guys baka gawin niya.
Burit.
Pwede lang tanga-tanga.
Loco is my nickname.
Ang sarap. What do you say? Can you repeat it again? They're saying that you like
I was in Collion town. I was watching women cut open the cashew nuts.
Oh.
And I said, I can open these. And they went, don't do that, Adam. It's maanghang.
It's maanghang.
I like spicy. I said, I can do it. I bit into it. The acid went all over my lips. It's not funny. It's not funny.
And then
1 week, like this, like a drop. It looked like I have Botox.
you can move your lips.
I couldn't even talk. I was sucking sobra.
Buti na lang.
But for 1
Hindi
week,
ka masyado nakadaldal no. You can talk too much. That day.
It was good for everyone else because you know me. I always talk too much. You
Yeah,
only
he
know
loves
me.
to talk.
You not know me 24 hours and already drive you crazy.
Actually, he is a scientist before.
I'm the mad scientist.
A lot of knowledge. Kaya guys, napakahirap kasama nito kasi para kami kasamang scientist, magiging bobo ka.
I've got a lot of knowledge, but no skills. No skills.
No skills with. Grabe Yan, ito na, piniprepare na.
Knowledge but no Lego.
Ano sabi mo kanina? Pampadagdag ng?
energy.
Okay, energy.
Gala.
Nasaan yung nakasubscribe sa akin? Nanonood?
Ito, magkapatid yan.
Hindi,
Sis,
yung nag-aaway.
Ram.
Ayun isa.
Ikaw kasi Ram ba?
Meron one left. You?
Nag-aaway sila. Paano? Nag-aaway?
Kasi ikaw hindi kain, ha?
Nag-aaway. Paano?
Nagagalit pag hindi yung ng Mr. Gala.
Pagka hindi
Master
Kasi
Gala.
mapanood niya, magagalit ito.
Bakit naman?
Paborito niya ngayon lagi mo kang bibig Mr. Gala. Tagal ba yung Mr. Gala na yun?
Mister ba yun? Master.
Master.
Master
Magsalita
Gala.
kasi siya nga, medyo kuan pa.
Ilang taon na siya?
5 years old.
Wow, hindi ka natatakot, be?
Ah, naku, hindi tumatakot. Gusto nito mga horror. Di ram-ram.
Nahiya. Nahiya siya, nahiya.
Mamaya. Juice, mamaya na. Wala lang juice.
Oh, hello. Kaway ka, be. Kaway.
Sabi hello, say hello po. Di ba mo? Sabi mo. Sabi mo.
Oh, di ba? Gano'n ka nakatagal nanonood?
Ano,
Matagal na?
Ikaw nanonood. Di ka tanong. Si Ram-Ram ba? Sagot ay.
Ilang years?
Uy. Ikaw inatanong.
Mga ilang taon na? Nagsimula ako? 2 years? Mga 2 years, gano'n? Tagal na.
Kasi
Eh, di 3 years pa lang siya noon.
malabata pa to manood.